Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you two different ways to either pause or disable Windows 10 updates. The reason for the two different ways is because with Windows 10 Home Edition, you can only pause the updates, and by default, it will only show you for pausing up to 7 days, but I'll show you where you can set it for up to 35 days. This is because technically you do want to make sure that your machine is updated, but sometimes we're working on something and we don't want to be interrupted by an update, so at least it allows us to push the update back. To do this with Windows 10 Home Edition, go to Settings by right-clicking on the Start button and choosing Settings. In here, select Update and Security. To quickly pause the update for the 7 days, click Pause Updates. Your updates will then be paused for up to the 7 days or unless you resume before that. To change the pause duration to the max time, choose Advanced Options at the bottom. Once in here, under Pause Updates, click the drop-down menu and choose the furthest out you can, which is 35 days from your current date. When you're finished, you can click the back button to confirm that the updates are paused, or you can just exit out of the settings window. Next, if you have Windows 10 Pro, you can set a group policy to disable Windows updates. To quickly check the version of your Windows 10, you can click in the search bar at the bottom and type System and choose System Information when it comes up. At the top of the list, you'll see OS name and the Windows 10 version that you have. Once you confirm that you have Windows 10 Pro, close this window and search again at the bottom for Edit Group Policy. This tends to be a little bit more IT focused, so be careful when you start changing settings inside of here. On the left-hand section under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Templates. Next, choose or expand Windows Components. Scroll down until you see Windows Update and double-click that. Once inside of here, find and double-click Configure Automatic Updates. On the top left, you'll see that it's not configured. Change that setting to disabled, hit apply, and then OK. This will then set a policy to disable automatic Windows updates. Go ahead and close the Group Policy Editor and go back to the Updates screen by searching Updates again at the bottom. You'll now see that updates are being managed by your organization. The cool thing though is, you can still manually check and install updates by choosing Check for Updates. So you can still update, it just won't be done automatically. And that's how you either pause automatic updates on Windows 10 Home or disable on Pro. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.